Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ash Rose. I hope you guys enjoyed this look that I created for you guys today. And if you did, don't forget to leave me a comment down below, like this video, and subscribe for more videos to come. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Hey you guys, so starting off, I have my brows already filled in like always, and I'm just going into the Makeup Revolution palette. This is the Newtrals 2 palette, taking that orange shade. I'm just going to start by packing it onto my lid, and I'm not going to be blending this out just yet because I'm going to use another color to blend it out. So now taking my Morphe 35B palette, I'm just taking that yellow shade, and this is what I'm going to use to blend out that orange shade. So now I'm just going back into my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm taking that reddish orangish shade, and we're just going to be putting this into the crease, blending it out. And this is used for dimension. We're trying to create depth and dimension in between these colors. So now taking that magenta shade out of the Morphe 35B palette, I'm just going to be focusing this shade underneath that red orange shade that we placed beforehand. So we're just going to be packing and blending it at the same time. Now out of that same palette, I'm just taking that purple shade, and I'm going to be focusing this onto the outer corner of the eye, and then I'll work my way in just a little bit, not too much because I don't want this to touch the inner corner. So I'm just focusing it more so on the outer corner, and then I'll work my way with blending it in just a little bit. Now it's time to cut the crease, and I'm just using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey to do so. And now to place over top of where we cut the crease at, I'm just taking my Wet n Wild loose pigment in the shade Jolly. And this was so easy to work with. It was so freaking smooth, you guys. I loved it. I wish I had every color. Now taking my NYX Vivid Brights in the shade Vivid Violet, I'm just taking that and I'm overlining where I cut my crease at. So above my cut crease line, I'm just overlining that. Now to finish off this look, I'm just applying some false lashes, and I do apply my lashes before I apply my mascara. It's just what works best for me. Now as you guys can see, I finished my other eye off camera. Now I'm taking my Colourpop All Star Matte and Blur Primer just to prime my face. Really love this primer. Now for my foundation, I'm just going in with my Black Radiance Color Perfect Liquid Makeup. And this is in the shade Caramel. It is a really mattifying foundation. So if you're oily, this will work. If you're already a dry girl, I do not suggest this foundation. Now I'm going in with my favorite duo for highlighting and contouring. I'm first going to contour my face, and I'm just going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealers in the shade Dark Cocoa to do so. Now to highlight my face, I'm just taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to be highlighting my nose bridge, under my eyes, my forehead, just a little bit, and just a little on my chin. And just to blend out my highlight and contour, I just used a Real Techniques blending sponge. So to set all the areas that I highlighted, I'm just going to be taking my black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. And now to set my actual contour, I'm just taking that shade from the Ruby Kiss 3D Contour Powder Palette. What a name. And I'm just going to be going over all the places that I contoured. So here I'm just taking a big fluffy brush just to wipe away the excess powder. So here I'm taking the brush that I used to contour with and going over those places once again, just so I can make sure that it's blended out a bit more. So for my lower lash line, I'm just taking that fuchsia shade and that orange shade that I used in the beginning of the video, and I'm just going to be blending those two shades out onto the lower lash line. Here I'm just adding a black eyeliner to the waterline just because I didn't want to leave it bare. Now to finish off the eye look, I'm just adding mascara to the lower lashes, and this mascara is the Wet n Wild Megawear mascara. Now to highlight my face, I'm just taking the e.l.f. highlighter and Heart Defense, and I'm just taking that brown shade, and I'm going to be highlighting everywhere that I prefer to highlight. So I forgot to add this part on, but I did go in and spritz my face all over to set it with MAC Fix Plus. Now for lips, I'm just first going in with a NikaK Auto Lip Liner in the shade Brown. And to go over top of that, I'm just taking my NYX Buttergloss in the shade Madeline. And I've been loving this combo lately, which is why I've been using it so much. So yeah, you guys, this is the final look, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. And if you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.